Here on 1570 KMCD, it's a Monday morning. Deetra Detman joining me. I'm in for Steve Smith this morning, filling in with Chamber Talk, the Monday morning spotlight show. Deetra, good morning.
Good morning.
Good to work with you the first time since you've taken over.
Yes, it's a pleasure. So
well, you get to...
You surprised me today. I didn't know. That's great. Wonderful.
That's all right. It's a good surprise, hopefully.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So what's going on at the Chamber? What you got to spotlight here on this Monday?
We've got a lot of things going on. So Friday was our deadline for Leadership Fairfield. We did go ahead and extend that actually through tomorrow at 5 o'clock. So we had quite a few applicants, but we would like to get a few more to make the class, just kind of that critical mass of size for interaction and so forth. And we know we had kind of a short time frame for people to apply. Got a little bit of a late start with filling my position and so forth. So anyway, just want to let folks know if we're on the brink thinking about that. We're still accepting applications through tomorrow. So please get those into us. Other things, I'll go ahead and run down what we've got going on this week, and then we'll highlight a few things coming up after that the Chamber's got going on. So today we've got a keyboarding free workshop at the Indian Hills Jefferson Center, and that's starting at 10 o'clock. And it's also Medical Monday on Sunnybrook Assisted Living, as we have every Monday. And looking at tomorrow, Mississippi Valley Regional Blood Center Blood Drive. That's going to be at Sunnybrook Home Care at 400 Highland Street. And that's going to be in the afternoon from 1 to 4. So that'll accommodate those folks that can make it during that time. Wednesday, the 24th, we've got a workshop on Food Preservation 101 introductory course. Of course, with the garden produce in full swing, a lot of people, it's time to freeze and can. So this is a great opportunity. Even if you've done a lot of canning, you may learn some new recipes that you haven't tried, or if you're brand new to it, this is a good opportunity. This is going to be at the CETA Resource Center at 201 South 23rd Street, and it's going to run from 2 to 3:30 p.m. Also on Wednesday, this kind of ties in nice with the food preservation. Farmers Market, of course, Howard Park, 3 to 6 p.m. And then another blood drive opportunity, Mississippi Valley Regional Blood Center Blood Drive. And this one will be from 3 to 6 p.m., so this can catch some folks after work. And that one will be at the Fairfield Arts and Convention Center. Looking ahead to Thursday, we've got Icon Thursday at the Icon Gallery. And just a reminder of what this is, Bill Teeple hosts a variety of events, which changes every Thursday from 7 to 9 p.m., and there might be videos, slide presentations, and lectures and so forth. So it changes up every week. And it's from 7 to 9 p.m. at the Icon Gallery. During the day on Thursday, free Excel workshops. That's Microsoft Excel. And that's going to be at the Indian Hills Jefferson Center, starting at 10:30 and going to 11:45 a.m. And Stan Hughes out at Jefferson County Extension is the contact for that if you've got questions regarding that. And another opportunity to donate blood, Mississippi Valley Regional Blood Center Blood Drive at the Advance America Donor Bus. And that's going to be at 1702 West Burlington Avenue, Suite 100. And this will be another one a little later in the day, 3 to 6 p.m. on Thursday. And our event that we've been talking about for several weeks, the Back to School reception, is coming Thursday at the Fairfield Golf and Country Club from 4 to 5:30 p.m. Been getting quite a few registrations for that. I think over double what we've had in years past, so we're excited about that. And if people are interested, it's free to Chamber members, and for others, it's $5. And you can make a reservation at the Chamber by calling 472-2111. And again, at that event, we honor the new teachers to both districts, the private school and the public school. And we've got about 30 new teachers this year that will have a chance to meet and greet. Then on Friday, Rotary Club will be meeting at the Fairfield Golf and Country Club from noon to 1:15. And riding it out on Saturday, we've got Fairfield Farmers Market again at Howard Park from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. And also just a reminder that Trojan Dash registrations are due that day as well. So looking ahead, we've got a few workshops and meetings in place. We did a survey to our membership a while ago looking at training, and it looked like around lunch time, so we're kind of doing some lunch and learn type programs. And one coming up on September 7th, which is a Wednesday, is implementing change and we'll be discussing compliance with the Department of Labor's updated regulations and overtime pay. So this could certainly affect, it's a pretty significant change. It could certainly affect some small businesses and nonprofit organizations as well. And we'll be meeting in the upstairs meeting room at Revelations. And if you want more information on that, go ahead and call the office. And we'll talk more about that too as time comes along. Also, coming up towards the end of September, we're going to do another Lunch and Learn, Effective Marketing in the Digital Age. And this will be helping folks, small businesses, talk about, with digital marketing, social media, and so forth, what are some of the best practices and what works for different audiences. And so this will be the first in that. Again, we had feedback from a survey we did, and this was something that folks were interested in. So contact the Chamber office for more on that. And looking ahead all the way to October, we have a candidate forum set up for the Board of Supervisor candidates. And that's going to be on October 11th in the evening at the Sondheim. And so we'll provide more information on that. And I guess one other thing I'd like to mention, kind of separate from the events, we wanted to highlight our member-to-member discount this week for Chamber members. And this week it's 10% off at Taco John's. So get out that member-to-member card and take it to Taco John's. And you can find a full list on our website of all the member-to-member discounts that are available every day.
You bet. And not just because it's a spotlighted business like
exactly.
Taco John's. It's available last week, next week, and all the other member-to-member discounts.
Yes. And if you are a Chamber member that doesn't currently offer a benefit, I heard someone say they thought it had to be like 10% off of something. Those benefits or those discounts can vary. So you figure out what works best for your business.
Sure.
And you can talk to us about that. So, and we're hoping to also come up with a little visual, like a sticker to go on the windows to help highlight those businesses so that people will, might get some more customers to stop in and check out what the member-to-member discount is, and you maybe get a new loyal customer out of that. So
that's right.
Excellent.
So, just call the office, 472-2111, or what's the web address, fairfieldiowa.com?
Yes, very easy.
It is. That's why I could remember, even though I didn't think I would.
Excellent. Yeah, we've got a new website that's been revamped. So if you haven't been on there for a while, this year has just been redone. So check it out. It's stunning and got a lot of information. And I'll give a shout out to Lindsay, who's done a lot of work in our office on that.
Awesome.
So,
and of course, links to all of the Chamber members off of the fairfieldiowa.com website. Yes,
you can go check out their websites. They also have it's like a landing page on them where you get some succinct information that you can click through. So the full calendar is there. And as we talked about last week, that with our calendar, folks can enter their own information as well. So you can do that, and then you can add as much information as you want. And we've had some people enter information, too, about sales that they're having in their stores and so forth. Sure. So, yeah, check it out. See what's going on in Fairfield.
It's a great resource out there. And speaking of great things, we've got Fairfest, of course, a week from this weekend, Labor Day weekend. Starts Friday, September 2nd. Buddy Guy is the headliner. Saturday the 3rd, Marty Stewart and the Fabulous Superlatives. And then on Sunday the 4th, Donovan. Isn't that great?
All kinds of stuff going on. Yeah, it is fantastic. Yeah, so we're excited for all the folks coming to Fairfield for that.
And $39 for 3-day passes. That has been extended through September the 1st, the day before Fairfest gets underway. And see Tammy here at the radio station, or contact her if you'd like to help out in the beverage garden. I know she was needing volunteers. And if you commit to a 4-hour shift, they will give you a day pass for any day of the Fairfest. So if you're going to work on Sunday, she'd make sure you got the pass that you could use it on Friday or Saturday. A number here at the station, 472-4191 or 472-8223. But to hurry, if she gets the slots filled out, you may miss out on your chance to get a day pass for Fairfest.
And I know we'd gotten some calls at the Chamber office as well about people wanting to get tickets. And you can get them online, but you can also, if you prefer to go the more traditional route, you can go to the ticket office at the convention center.
Exactly. So. And fairfestiowa.com, that's got the lineup of the other bands besides the headliners that I mentioned. And you can get tickets at fairfestiowa.com, at fairfieldacc.com, the Arts and Convention website. I can't talk this morning. And as you mentioned, at the box office, which is open weekday afternoons.
Yes, absolutely.
So, all right. Anything else for the good of the chamber this week, Detra?
I think that's it for this week. A lot of things happening. So we're getting geared up for lots of events, but we're also working on some of the other things behind the scenes, which I'll talk about more in future weeks.
I think I reversed the pronunciation. It's Detra Detman.
Yeah.
Not Detra Dietman.
That's okay. It's a confusing one. No worries.
it's that so similar there. And
Yep.
yeah, my like I said, my mind is not functioning on this Monday.
It's all great.
Appreciate you coming up, Detra, and it was good talking to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So Detra Detman, Chamber Talk on a Monday here at 1570 KMCD.